Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Baber back again to kind of help you out with your slides today. Let's take a look and see what we are asking you to do. All right, in math, we're going to watch our video with Mrs. Brown where we are learning to create and represent quantities with different arrangements. So today we're going to look at the number 5, and we're going to look at different ways that you can arrange the number 5 in order to keep the number 5. So even though it might be arranged differently with your tiles or your cubes or your chips or whatever it is that you're using, it's still the number 5. So she's going to go through a couple of videos there with you on that and teach you how to work with a partner on some games. And then you're going to get down to the slide that has our assignment on it. It says use the numbers below to complete the number sentence to make 5. You're telling how many yellow and how many orange on each line. So you can see here that Mrs. Baber gave you 5 yellow tiles or chips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow. So you're going to click down here and you're going to drag up the number 5. And then you see in this same line, we have 0 orange because they're all yellow. So I'm going to bring up my 0 to show how many I have there. Let me bring that to the front. If that happens to you, you can just click it and drag it right up to the front, just like Mrs. Baber did. I went to Arrange. I kept my little box. Whoops, give me just a second. I kept my little box around the number that was hidden at first. And then I went to Arrange, Order, Bring to Front. And that made my number pop right here in the front of it. So it didn't hide behind. Now moving on to the next line, I see that I have 0 yellow. So now I need to pull up my 0. And remember, if it falls behind, like it did, I'm going to go up to Arrange, Order, Bring to Front, and it'll make it pop right up in the front. So we have 0 yellow, but how many orange? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this time we have all 5 orange. And you're going to keep going down the line just like that. You're going to start with yellow and tell Mrs. Baber or Mrs. Brown or Mrs. Latham or Mrs. Clark how many yellow you have and how many orange you have. We always have the number 5, but we are arranging that quantity differently for you to see in different ways. I hope this helps you complete your slide for today, and I will see you later. Bye, friends.